How to disable store password on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to disable your password on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to your Shopify, open up your admin, and you will get right here. So you have to click on right here on your store, and then it will give you some of the options right here, such as blog post, we have pages, navigation. And you can see when I open up my online store, it gives me this warning right here that your online store is password protected. And if you want to remove it, you can just go ahead and remove it from here. But if you do not see this option, you can just go to preferences, and here you have to scroll down to passwords right here, password protected. And you can see right here I have a password given, and what I can do is now I can disable it, but there is just one condition to it, that you have to have a plan. If you do not have a plan on Shopify, you have not bought a subscription, then you will not be able to actually customize or disable your password. For instance, I do not have a plan right now. I do not have that plan. So if I just remove the password now, you will see that it doesn't allow me to do that. You can see it cannot be left blank, so I will just have to type in something. Okay. But if you want to buy a plan, you can just simply go to settings, then go to plan, and get a plan from here. Simply click on choose a plan, buy a plan, and after that you will be able to disable your Shopify password from preferences and just scroll down to this option right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.